So today I wanted to make taco pizza. It's a simple, easy, delicious recipe that I haven't had in years. I first heard of it from Pizza Hut, but they don't make it anymore, so I just thought I would learn how to make it. This will be the first time that we're all trying it together, so if you want to learn the recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how, okay? I'm going to use 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of cheese, 1 tomato, and half an onion. You can use 1 teaspoon of yeast. I also use a cup of warm water, 2.5 cups of flour. This will be, if you want a thin crust, do 1.5 cups. So this is the recipe, so let's get started. Heat the oven to 350. So I usually let the yeast sit in the water for about 5 minutes just so the yeast can rise a little bit, and then we will add it to the flour. Okay, now that the dough is mixed, I'm going to wait 10 minutes for it to rise, and while in the meantime that is rising, we're gonna cook the meat and all the veggies. Okay guys, so I'm going to add the vegetables. Because I didn't have already pre-made taco seasoning, I'm just going to add a teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to also put a little bit of salt and pepper in the mix. Just so it doesn't stick while I roll out the I'm going to add the beans as the base. Okay guys, so the meat is done, so I'm just gonna add it on top of my pizza. Okay, now we add the cheese. Okay guys, so this is what the pizza looks like. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, Okay, so we'll check back in about 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes. I took it out the oven. This is what it's looking like. So yeah, let's serve. I made my pizza. You can put whatever, like tomatoes, lettuce, more cheese, avocado, anything you want. I'm just using with whatever I have left over. So now we're gonna do the taste test. So good. Like a legend? Was it yummy? Yum? Okay guys, there you have it. Was the pizza. Everyone loved it. Now it's time to do dishes and clean up. So if you like that recipe, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. I truly appreciate it if you guys did. If you like the recipe, just let me know. Just leave a comment down below so you guys can be a part of our family. Again, I will see you guys next week. Alright, bye.
I'm just riding these waves. I remember them days. Got sick and tired of my